Hello students, let us take a very interesting question from a Japanese entrance Olympiad. In this, we have to find this red area. The given thing is this is a semicircle with a chord at A that is inclined at 30 degrees. So what we can do is, first of all, we are having the radius of this semicircle as 6 and a line from A which is intersecting the semicircle is at 30 degrees of angle. Now M is the point which is bisecting the AC and BM is joined. Now we need to find this area that is in the red region. So this involves a very interesting and a unique trick to find this area. Now, what can we do for solving this? First of all, we will join our OC, that is the radius, and BC. Now, we know that this line AC, O, and this is OA is the radius of the circle which is equals to OC. So we are having a triangle which is isosceles AOC. So my angle A is equals to angle ACO, again equal to 30 degrees. Angles of isosceles triangle are equal. Now AOC is equals to 180 minus the sum of the two angles. So 180 minus 30 plus 30, this is equals to 120 degrees. Now AB is a straight line. That means the whole angle should be 180 degree. So my angle BOC is 180 minus 120, that is equals to 60 degrees. Now we know that OC and OB are both the radius of the circle with one inclined angle as 60 degree. So the two sides OB and OC are 6 and 6, and the third side BC is also equal to 6 because the including angle is 60 degree, which makes this triangle an equilateral triangle. So now we can say here that the yellow region, which is a segment, we can find this red area by the area of segment and area of triangle MBC. This will be our combined region. Now look at the point M. M is the midpoint and we join OM. Now we see that M is the midpoint of line AC and O is the midpoint of side AB for triangle ABC. Now by the base theorem, we know that a line which joins the two midpoints of a triangle, the two sides, that is parallel. So OM line is parallel to BC line. And hence we are having O triangle, area of triangle MBC is equals to area of triangle BOC, because these two triangles are on the same base BC and between the same parallel lines OM and BC. The M and O points are lying on the parallel sides OM and BC. So the area of triangles which are on same base and in between two parallel lines are having equal bases and equal height. So their areas are equal. So we see that the red region area, that is the AMBC, is equals to area of OBC. Now we can see here, we can find this red region complete by MBC plus BC, the segment this. But the area of triangle MBC is equal to the area of triangle OBC. So we can find this complete area by finding the area of sector OBC. This whole area of sector OBC is equal to our red region only. So what is the value of OBC? That is sector. We can find it by theta upon 360 into pi r square. The central angle is 60 degrees over here. So we replace this theta by 60 degrees. So 60 upon 360 into pi into 6 square, which is coming to be 1/6 of pi into 36, or we can simplify this and we are having the area as 6 pi. So the area of sector is 6 pi, and hence the area of our red portion is also equal to 6 pi. So this is the logic behind this question. Thank you.